You see, that disaster, the disaster that just left, that called himself president. I'm talking about President Muhammad Buhari. His own can be understandable. One, he is an illiterate. He was an illiterate. Two, he was a soldier that doesn't even know his left and right. My annoyance is the person that is leading us is a Democrat, whom I, Maxwell, worked with as a student. Occupying Nigeria at Ojota. Everybody were hailing him. During the time of Nadeko, when he was there with Edward Oproji, we are looking at them as the people that say, when will this kind of people come and rule this country? Now that you have entered, you turn Nigeria upside down. Buhari told us that you people will miss me. We thought that he was joking. We are missing him. You have turned Nigeria upside down. You say somebody called you a criminal. And Wike was saying, have you ever seen Trump? Go to America now and see how people are abusing their president. For no just cause, not to talk about the president that have committed something. You watch his independent speech. Nothing to go home with. Nothing. So which means those who even prepare the speech for him don't even know the problem of Nigeria. You are there praising yourself. There was a tremendous development in our various local governments. So my own local government in the village, no road. Nobody's working there. The local government selected chairman is even in Sowore. They don't even come there. If you go there, it will look like expired cemetery. So how can you be saying this? You know, you are the president. You know that you approach the attorney general, approach the federal Supreme Court. Supreme Court make an order saying that any local government independent of financial autonomy of a local government, because of their interest, you refuse to implement the law because the governors have threatened you at the detriment of those that you are governed. Maxwell Opara was delivered in Ayazu Mbise General Hospital, our local government general hospital. As a small boy, we normally go there to receive treatment. It's no longer in existence as I speak to you. As a result of man inhumanity to man. Man inhumanity to man. People are dying. You can see your colleague that just died. If that thing that happened to that, what's the name of that girl? Somtochukwu. It's enough for the minister to resign, if not the president. But life goes on. By this time next week, nobody will remember that lady again. Life goes on. And everybody's folding hands. Hey, Max, don't talk. They will try a license. Max, don't talk. You know that you have children. Max, don't talk. You are not the person that will make Nigeria better. A society in Nigeria, you harass, and the judiciary are no longer helping matters. Somebody told them that they normally pay them not to carry some certain news. Any news, they normally pay them. I know that the then governor of Enugu State, Chimadoke, can normally do it that time. Every morning he will send his aides. They will go and pack all the whole newspaper and magazine in Enugu State. Pack it. But unfortunately for them, social media has taken over the center stage. Nobody is listening to television again. Any news that you are bringing, you are not bringing. In my house, sir, in my house, I'm the only person that will watch television in my house. I'm talking about a family of 6. 4 adults and 2 children. I'm the only person that will watch news. And anytime I'm watching news, television news, they will say, Daddy, please lower that the volume of that. This thing is disturbing us. They go to social media. That's where you get the real news. So you that is running a media house and you feel that you are all gone, just like NTA and the NTA and there was an Radio Nigeria. Have you ever Ask, you see anybody listen to Radio Nigeria, including the staff there. Do they all listen to Radio Nigeria? NTA, have you ever listened to, even when they make their listen free? In fact, even if you are subscribing and you are listening expired and you don't have money to subscribe again, you won't even watch NTA. It's as bad as that. So when you think that they're paying you money not to carry out a news, you are just destroying your institution. Because there are some if I should ask you now, if you all this television station, including your own, if people are watching, there are some prime what do you call it, program people listen. Do you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
If you tune channels now, there is a program people want to listen, because that's the program that people get it wrong. Something like Politics Today. If you go to Arise early morning show, Ruben Abata and the Refine. If you go to AIT, you see. So I hear them say, so people choose. After that, people just, every other one is advert. This early morning, yesterday morning I woke my children and said, let's pray, because I want to listen to you to present broadcast. My wife said, okay, let's everybody wait until you finish. Listen to that trash. Of course. Me that finished listening to it, I became more annoyed. I was off throughout in spirit when we were praying, having a family morning devotion. I was debating, why should I even, who asked me to go and listen to this? A president, you said that a renewed hope. Renewed hope is coming to tell me lies? And when they call you a liar and you say that people, you say go and get him arrested. Why should you be lying? Why should you come to tell the whole world that there is a tremendous development in our various local governments? Oga, why? Do you know the meaning of tremendous? Do you know the meaning of development? Have you traveled? So that shows that, you know, when you were in Imo State, was it the first day? You would have asked the governor to take you to Mbise. No road. Mbise, where I come from. The 3 local governments in Mbise, no road. No access road. No access road. And you say that there is a tremendous progress. And as you are giving this way, you say that the states are getting more money. You remove subsidy. The only thing that the masses are benefiting, you remove it and say that you are giving more money to all these criminals. It's unfair. Mr. President, don't you know what they are doing with the money? As the money is coming, they are converting it to dollars. As the allocation is coming, you see Bureau de Change in the government house coming with dollars. They said that they needed money they want to use to fight in 2027. It's unfair. I don't know how people get to bed and sleep. Go to Aminu Kano Christian, that HMD is there. I went there. I saw some people, Nigerians, eating from that dustbin. All those expired goods that the people, Nigerians, are eating from the dustbin. No, it's not that I saw it. The other one at Gimbia Street, in the dustbin, I saw Nigerians eating from there. One woman, the other day, in my house where I'm living, this thing, what do you call it? The bread, wheat bread I bought, I left it in the car. After 10 days, I saw the bread. I said, this bread I've been looking for, because I put it in this thing, what do you call it? In a pigeonhole. I brought it. So I now put it in a dustbin. Only for me to see one woman with 3 children going to that dustbin, pick that bread. They were eating it. I shouted from upstairs. I said, "Man, drop that in there. Drop that in there." He was speaking outside to me. I call my gate man, come. Give him 10,000 naira. Or I go and throw that thing out. So my gate man will say, say if they leave and they will still come back. Oh. I said, carry that 10,000, go buy food. Don't come here again. So that thing is no good. My gate man here outside. He was speaking outside too. Well, he greeted me, now go and left. A country that they have money. On Friday, you see them in the mosque. On Sunday, you see them in the church. Shame unto you, all the leaders of this country, both past and present. Shame unto you. Maxwell is saying, shame unto you. How can you be living in this manner? That money you are packing for your great-grandchildren, how are you sure that they will live? How are you sure that they will live? Sir, one of the things that will make you a happy person is because somebody was a graduate because of you. That's one of the things that make you shoulder high. I made him. He was alive because of me. What will you be remembered for? What will you be remembered for? That our president, even the past president, died. His own people in Daura were jubilating that their own son died. Okay, didn't you see it? People were jubilating. Abacha died. People were jubilating. The only person that died, people were crying, is Yar'Adua. When Yar'Adua died, people were crying because he meant well for this country. What will you be remembered for? Say, I get him arrested. He called me a criminal. Get him arrested. DPP, prosecute him for cybercrime. Now, if you prosecute Sowore and send Sowore to prison, then they will cry for you. They will cry for you because you don't have job. If you have job, you will not listen to those who criticize you. Sir, when we have judiciary in this country, the likes of Oputa, Nemeka JAC, Kayode Esho, Anagolo JAC, Bello JAC, Karibi White. So do you know my answer? The worst of it is that these people were giving all those judgments during the time of military. Go and read all those judgments. Ojukwu and the governor of Lagos State, military governor of Lagos State, that judgment was delivered when the military were there. They will look at the governor, military governor, they will look at they were giving judgment. But what is happening? Go to court. Somebody will say, go to court. When somebody called you, say that somebody has defamed your character, go to court. If you feel that you have a case, go to court. Because there are some people that have defamed my character. I'm in court with them. I don't write petition to police for criminal defamation. What do you mean by criminal defamation? I go to court. If I feel that I have a case, the one I did today is against a man. They are in good court. I want to testify. I have my distance. I don't need to disturb my distance. To disturb myself. You went to Brazil. When you are, as a president, when you are going to Brazil to talk, you are not going there as Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You are going there as a Nigeria, as a Nigeria. If you are moving, Nigerians are moving. And when you are there to speak, you are speaking on my behalf. So when you now go and tell them that there is no corruption in Nigeria, you are lying. You are lying. It's lie, telling lies. It's no longer a crime. It's no longer a crime. I'm asking. Telling lies to deceive people. It's a deceit. And you said that you're a criminal. Well, those people that even listen to this thing, which means they don't have work. Because if you have work, like most of the times, you see that I don't even, when I post something, it's those that are following me that say, okay, see what people are saying about you. When I have time to be reading, I posted something, and before I could know it, you have about 700 comments. Somebody that have a lot of things in my hand, a lot of work, brief of argument, pleadings, articles, research that I'm is only for me to be reading, responding. Those ones are meant for applicants who are looking for work, so that they have something to keep themselves busy. So not me. So when you said that you are misinterpreting that, and I can't see the reason why. Most of the times, they will not convert it to terrorism, so as to make it, well, okay, now Sowore has even filed action against Twitter and Facebook, asking court to stop them. We did that matter yesterday. Stop them from pulling that thing down. And you came to court. The person that came to represent you the first was DPP. DPP of the Federation. DPP. What are you doing? Try to shut Sowore down. Because I have seen serious terrorism cases that are coming to court. I see some junior lawyers from Ministry of Justice that come and some other lawyers. But this one, DPP came because they have asked to make sure that you sent him to prison so that he will not talk again. And the judges that are even handling this matter, how are you seeing them? Just like the one of Mazin Nadekan. The one of Mazin Nadekan, you are there to stop him from agitating. Since 2014-15, you got him arrested. Has the agitation stopped? You cannot. You are just postponing the evil day. You cannot. So that cybercrime is, they enacted it so as to stop people. Remember that there was a time during a disaster period, Buhari, Lai Mohammed suspended Twitter. I heard them say, yeah. Does that stop people from tweeting? Go and see abuse now. Address the issues that why you are elected. Forget about those people that are abusing you. People start criticizing you. People start supporting you. I can remember Ngige, when Ngige rigged the election and entered. But Ngige started working. Before they could know, another people say, P2B, I beg, make you allow Ngige. He's already doing what we want you to do. I don't know whether you remember that period. Speak against Oti in the area that they will kill you there. Oti don't even need any people to call him a criminal. But the other one that just left, Okezi Bazo, the other one, Theodoji, those ones that came and looted the treasure of Abia people. For how many years? Abia people was asking, where is this man? Got money that he's using to do this thing. But somebody was in that office for 8 years, another person for 8 years, another person for 8 years. For good 24 years, you people cannot do anything. And somebody came in less than 2 years and he said that who go to Aba now and travel to Aba and speak against Oti, including the opposition. So when you are walking that Aba Port Harcourt road, use Josberger, people were saying, what? No go area. Now people are moving back to Aba. Aba is back now. Work is going. Because people left bad road, insecurity and what have you. So the issue of cyber crime, I don't know why. I think they should get more prosecutors. Because a hungry man is an angry man. And an angry man enters social media, they will be abusing them now. So my dear, that particular law, they are misinterpreting it. I heard them saying it is left for the judge to check the one that's criminal defamation. Not when you are misbehaving. You are misbehaving. And your children say, Daddy, you are misbehaving. Daddy, shame unto you. You say that your children are abusing you. But you are misbehaving now. The little money you have in the house, you go and drink or go and fall inside gutter. And people, the prostitute will search you and collect the whole money. You allow their mother to be suffering. You allow them to be suffering. You collect your gratuity and the areas, you spend it in a brothel. And they call you an irresponsible, stupid father. And instead of you to ask them, you are saying you are insulting me. Who is happy in Nigeria? Who is happy in Nigeria? Apart from those of them that are bringing curses, I call it bringing curses on their head. I call it, there are some things that I learned from my father. They give you money to build a hospital, and you converted that money. You go to Bureau de Change, converted it to dollar and store it in your house. And somebody died as a result of a lack of destiny. You are a ritualist. You are a Yahoo boy. You are the blood of those people are